Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for today, I'll be teaching you on how to convert your normal video to 4K quality videos. But first, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, let's go to CapCut app. Let's click on new project and then let's add a video. And then as you can see here, I'm using my own pre-recorded video. So let me mute it first and then delete the end part. So after doing that, we can start editing the video and let's go to the adjust option and then look for graph. Okay. And then here in the graph, you'll see 4 colors, white, red, green, and blue. So let's just follow the procedure all throughout the colors, and then after doing that we can go back and look for the effects option, and in the effects option click the video and effects, and then let's look for the lens and click on the blur option. So as you can see here, the video is already blurred out, and after doing that, you can now export the video into 1080p. So since you're exporting the video, it will be automatically saved to your gallery. Okay, let's just wait for a minute. Still exporting. So now we can go back and then we can reset this video. So after resetting the video, we can go to overlay and then add the video that we just saved, and then let's fix it with the video that we're editing. Okay, and then after that, let's go to blend and then go to burn, and the opacity would be 60. Then let's add again an overlay. For this one, let's choose a white wallpaper or a white photo, and let's fix it on the video. Okay, after doing that, let's go again to the blend option, and then let's look for the overlay, and the opacity should be 95. And after doing that, as you can see, the video is much better now. And now you can export that, and then it will automatically save to your gallery. So that's how you turn your normal video into 4K quality videos. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, just comment it down below and we'll be happy to get back you on that. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.